Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 6, C is 54 and D is 64. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition, we have to follow same step as division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first. If addition is coming first, so you have to solve addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so you have to solve the subtraction first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have this bracket, which is 3 raised to power 2 minus 2. So first we have here minus sign between two numbers, but we have another thing which is exponent part, which is 3 raised to power 2. So first of all, we have to solve this part, which is 3 raised to power 2. So we will write like 8 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2, then minus 7 divided by 3 raised to power 2 means 9 minus 2 multiplied by 8. And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to power 2 becomes 9. Now move forward. Again we have to solve the bracket, which is 9 minus 2. Because we have to solve according to the rule, we have to solve first the bracket, which is 8 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 minus 7 divided by 9 minus 2, which is equals to 7 multiplied by 8. And here we have to give the reference like 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket. According to the rule, now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So now we have here 3 raised to power 2. We have to solve this one. Like 8 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. Minus 7 divided by 7 multiplied by 8. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2, which is becomes 9. Now move forward. According to the rule, now we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So for this, we have to follow the same rule. According to the rule, we have to follow like we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have 8 multiplied by 9. So first of all, we have to solve this one. 8 multiplied by 9 and this becomes 72. And now again we have to write like this part divided by 7 multiplied by 8. And here we have to give the reference 8 multiplied by 9 equals to 72. Now move forward. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 72 minus 7 divided by 7, which is equals to 1 multiplied by 8. Here, you cannot say I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve this 7 multiplied by 8. Or someone says like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve this 7 divided by 7. No, the rule is same. First of all, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have this division, which is 7 divided by 7. So we have to solve this one and it becomes 1. Now, again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So 72 minus 8 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 8. And here we have to give the reference like 1 multiplied by 8 equals to 8. And here we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 64. So the answer of the given expression is 64. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.